Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click here on me down here, and you just click here on me. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on notification. Then you come to next step here. You come to this list. You come to auto figure start. Just clicking this sign or this color. Like you see here, color it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. Also, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.